Hi,
Halo,
hello.
teman. I'm Farida.
I'm Sheila.
Here we will speak improvement condition about flooding. Improvement. Flooding is a problem that occurs when there is a wash and occurs when land is dry. This can be caused by heavy rain, overflowing rivers, high tides, and combination of other factors. Flooding offers the possibility to take property and the improvement seriously and start looking to save money. Here, the SWOT analysis from Foodie. Strength. The SWOT analysis from strength, there are five. First is water intensity. First, before we read the strength, here the strength of fluid is primarily related to the intensity of the water and its impact on the environment and society. Floods can have destructive force such as destroying infrastructure, causing economic loss, and potentially endangering human safety. Increased rainfall intensity, deforestation, and climate change may increase the likelihood of more frequent and severe flooding. Mitigation and adaptation over are needed to reduce the risk and impact of flooding. The strength of flood refers to how big impact a flood event can have on the environment and society. Some aspects that can be considered. The strength of a flood impulse is the first water intensity. Water intensity flooding can vary in strength depending on the intensity of the rain or snow melt that causes it. Heavy rainfall over a short period of the time or rapid snow melting can increase the volume of flowing water, increasing the risk of flooding. The second strength is size of effect area. The strength of flood can also be measured by how large the effect area is. Floods that hit large areas can cause greater loss to infrastructure and communities. And then the third is water level. The water level high during a flood also plays an important role in determining the strength of the flood. Significant water levels can cause deeper and more damaging water bodies. And then the fourth is current speed. Fast water current can increase the force of flooding by damaging buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure. Current speed can also carry flood materials such as mud and rocks, increasing the risk of damage. And then the last, the strength is social and economic impact. The power of flood is also reflected in their impact on society and the economy. Flooding can cause evacuation of a resident, agricultural, and harm the business sector. I'm sorry. And then we move to weakness. Here there are five weaknesses of flooding. First is climate change. Global climate change may increase the intensity of rainfall or worsen the risk of flooding in the future. Anticipating this change is crucial task. And then the second is infrastructure damage. Flooding can cause serious damage to infrastructure such as bridges, roads, and buildings, which can require significant time and resources to restore. And then the third is loss of life and property. Floods can result in loss of human life and damage to property, causing economic loss and human suffering. And then the fourth is refuges and public health. Floods often result in mass evacuation and increase the risk of disease due to contaminated water and compromised health facilities. And then the last, the weakness, environmental damage. Floods can damage the ecosystem of rivers, lakes, and coastal areas, endangering biodiversity and affecting the ecological balance. And then we continue to our sister, Sheila.
And then opportunity. There are many five is the first education and awareness. Flood can be a momentum to increase public education and awareness about climate change and the importance of flood prevention measures. And the second is disaster management jobs. There is emerging need for disaster management experts, rescue workers, and other related jobs. And the third opportunity is flood management technology. Development of technology for flood monitoring, early warning system, and other technological solutions. And the last opportunity is insurance and risk assessment. Insurance company can offer disaster insurance product and risk assessment service to communities and business affected by flooding. The next weakness, there are three. The first is displacement and evacuation. In severe flooding situations, people may be forced to evacuate their homes and seek temporary shelter. This can disrupt daily routines, cause emotional distress, and lead to long-term displacement. Displaced individuals may face challenges in finding suitable housing, accessing basic necessities, and rebuilding their life after the floodwater recedes. And the and the second opportunity, eh, and the second threat is environmental impact. Flooding can cause significant damage to ecosystem, including the destruction of habitat and the displacement of wildlife. The contamination of water sources with pollutant and chemical can harm aquatic life and compromise the quality of drinking water. Additionally, the erosion of soil caused by flooding can lead to reduced agricultural productivity and the loss of valuable agricultural lands, impacting food security and livelihoods. And the last threat is health risks. Floodwaters can be contaminant pollutant, sewage, and other hazardous substances. Exposure to these contaminants can have severe health consequences, including the spread of waterborne disease, infection, and other illness. The presence of standing water and damp condition can also contribute to the growth of mildew, which can further exacerbate respiratory problems and allergy. And the next is flooding solution. The first is air management. Bulk and repair, bulk and repair drainage channels, maintain rivers and airflow so that they are not clogged with rubbish. And the second flooding solution is good city planning. Avoid development in air catchment area or lowlands. Pay attention to good urban spatial planning to manage air. The third is river and dam maintenance. Good maintenance on rivers and dam to prevent leaks to damage.
Okay, that's all from our speech. We ask apologize if there is a mistake. I'm Farida.
I'm Sheila.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you.